what I'm teaching, Adam, through these SPVs, it really doesn't matter who's in office. Because the only thing that will be impacted is, well, here's what we do know. They've already come out and said that in September they want to cut the rates. The feds want to cut the rates.
Right.
If that happens, housing market is going to go haywire because prices are going to go back up because there's still a housing shortage significantly in the United States. But because we're playing the game from a business standpoint, essentially all that means is that money will get cheaper. So all I'm doing is trying to educate and teach people how to play the game, no matter who's in office. But what's going to happen is it opens up more opportunity for individuals who know how to play the SPV game because now the money is cheaper. So imagine being able to set up 5 SPVs, going to the bank and getting a line of credit for each one of them for $100,000. Now I can go out there and buy 5 properties and none of it cost me anything out of my pocket. So all it does, it just opens up the floodgates for people to get access to cheaper money, but they have to know how to play the game the right way, and that's what I'm doing.
What do you think they're going to lower them to?
They're kind of thinking maybe around like 4%. I don't
really?
think it'll get to 3 or 2 again. But, if the money does get cheaper when it comes to housing, it just makes it easier for us who already know how to play the game to get access to cheaper money, because that's really the name of the game.